Hello, let's try to sort this array by using bubble sort. So bubble sort works in passes. In sorting, a pass means in that particular step we try to place uh, the element in its correct place. So in bubble sort, in the first pass we try to push the largest element in this array to the end. Right? So let's do it. Let's try to find the largest element here. So it's done like this. So compare, start from here, compare 7 with 2. So 7 is greater than 2, so do the swapping. Compare 7 with 10 now. I have 7 here. So 7 is not greater than 10, so don't swap. Compare 10 with 4, so 10 is greater than 4, so do the swapping. Now compare 10 with 3, so 3 is smaller than 10, so do the swapping. So compare 10 with minus 1, so 10 is greater than minus 1, so do the swapping, 10 and minus 1. So in fact this was the first pass, so first pass, and I'll write the output of the first pass here: 2, 7, 4, 3, minus 1 and 10. So this is the first pass. So if you observe now, the largest element in the given array was 10 and it is placed at the end. So we then don't touch that 10. So let's now find the largest element in the remaining array and place it here. That is the last position of this array. So it can be found in a similar way. So compare 2 with 7, so 2 is not greater than 7, so don't swap. So compare 7 with 4, 7 is greater than 4, so swap. I'll bring 4 here, I'll bring 7 here. Compare 7 with 3, so 7 is greater than 3, so do this swapping. So compare 7 with minus 1, 7 is greater than minus 1, so do this swapping. Right? And this was the second pass. So if we rewrite the output of the second pass, it looks like this: 2, 4, 3, minus 1, 7 and 10. If you observe, in this part of the array 7 was the largest element, and now at the end of the second pass, the second largest element, that is 7, was placed at the second last place. Now again in the third pass we find the third largest element and put it at the third last place. So it can be done like this: 2 will be compared with 4, so 2 is less than 4, so don't swap. 4 will be compared with 3, so 4 is greater than 3, to swap. So 4 will be compared with minus 1, so 4 is greater than minus 1, so do this swapping. So at the end of this third pass, we have the third largest element placed at the third last place. So the output is 2, 3, minus 1 and 4, 7, 10. So now let's do the fourth pass. So again find the largest element in this array. So 2 is compared with 3, 2 is less than 3, so don't swap. 3 is compared with minus 1, so 3 is greater than minus 1, so do this swapping. That's it, that's the fourth pass. And if you rewrite the array after fourth pass, it will be like this: 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 7, 10. And let's do the fifth pass, and that will be the last pass, because if there are 6 elements there will be 5 passes. So in the last pass we'll compare 2 with minus 1, so 2 is greater than minus 1, so we'll swap. So at the end of this pass, if I write the output of the array, it will be like this. So 2 is placed correctly, so only one element left, so I need not do any operation or any work for that element to be placed correctly, because if I have placed n minus 1 element correctly, the last element will be correctly placed. So that's the final output which we got, and if you observe that, that's the array sorted in ascending order. So that's bubble sort example. Thanks for watching.